Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Sign into Azure and confirm your subscription and billing. This avoids later permission surprises. Next, install Azure CLI or Azure PowerShell so you can automate tasks quickly. Use as login or connect as account to authenticate. Once done, create a resource group in the region nearest your users. It organizes resources and simplifies role assignments. Make sure to set a naming convention now, because consistent names prevent confusion during later deployments and permission grants. You now deploy core services. Pick compute based on workload, VM for full control, app service for web apps, or AKS for containers, and provision with the CLI or portal. Then configure networking. Create a VNet, define subnets, and apply network security group rules to limit traffic. Attach public IPs only where necessary. Once compute and network are set, attach appropriate storage. Manage disks for VMs or blob and file storage for app data. As you proceed, tag resources for cost tracking and access control. You finish by locking down access. Assign least privilege IAM roles, enable multi-factor authentication, and review role assignments. Next, enable monitoring with Azure Monitor and Log Analytics, create alerts for CPU, disk, and failed deployments, and set retention policies. Finally, configure backups, snapshots for disks, Azure Backup for VMs, and test a restore to confirm recovery. If something goes wrong, check activity logs and resource health first. Often a permissions or quota limit is the root cause. Adjust roles or request quota increases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.